Sometimes we take a lot of things for granted where we feel that we could have easy access to services or products or medical items in pharmacies simply because it is there for us to easily access it. But the reality of the situation in working with the Migrant Clinic in this dentistry initiative, it shows that not everyone will have ease of access to those services, or not everyone will be able to access it as easily as other people can. And this partnership has really focused on breaking those barriers to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to healthcare and everyone has the opportunity to access services that they may sometimes not be able to.
Everybody knows the migrant population is one of the most vulnerable here in Trinidad, as they don't have access to many of the services they require. This population in the future will have health problems, and in this scale, children are in the lowest scale of the assistance. So it's very important for us to support them.
School of Dentistry, UWI, is very happy that we're continuing to receive support for our Migrant Dental Clinic. We're very happy to have been able to meet one of the sponsors of this clinic this morning. We were able to provide a wide range of treatments to these kids. They do have a lot of need, so we look forward to continued support from corporate sector to ensure that these kids receive all the care and the best care that they need.